Our swimmer is a female collegiate athlete who swims the 100-yard freestyle. These are the weights she will do in her preseason.
Our swimmer completes the 100-yard freestyle in a little over a minute at her competition pace.
Our athlete has hypertension. Hypertension is characterized by increased pulmonary vascular resistance and increased pulmonary artery pressure, also known as high blood pressure. Seeing how swimming uses almost every muscle in the body, this causes a higher workload for the heart and blood vessels to dilate to accommodate the added volume to get oxygen there. This makes her blood pressure lower, making swimming beneficial to her. Weightlifting temporarily increases blood pressure, but it should come back down and is not much of a worry. The benefits of weight training and having hypertension is that lifting gradually helps lower our athlete's high blood pressure. She needs to make sure that she does not hold her breath when she does the different lifts because that can cause a spike in her already high blood pressure. The coaches will know that she has hypertension and to have a continuous eye on her. Although seeing how she is an experienced lifter and has swam for many years and knows how to lift the weights, she most likely has it managed by now. It is important for our swimmer to, prior to their workout, to produce a warm-up. And then, once they finish all the training, they need to stretch. The flip turn is where our swimmer can lose or gain speed. Building up the calf muscles will help with keeping her speed up because she is a sprinter in the 100-yard freestyle. The flip turn is just as important as jumping off the blocks in time and having a fast stroke. A way to test strength and power of a swimmer can be done through fitness testing. For example, the vertical jump test measures how explosive the legs are. This is important for use with diving off the blocks and the flip turn. Swimmers will have 3 tries. Best out of 3 will be recorded and it will be adjusted for your height.
Swimmer's shoulder is the most common injury with freestyle. Practicing the 3-arm rotation drill will help build the shoulder muscles and prevent injury or help the rehab program. The swimmer will take 3 strokes with her right arm as the left stays at her side. Then switch to the left and keep her right arm at her side, and repeat this continuously.
Hold the weight in towards your chest for stability and make sure your feet are hooked in properly. Keep your back straight and perform the normal technique of a sit-up. Choose the weight of your choice and grasp the dumbbell in your hands and perform a curl towards your chest. This works the biceps and forearm muscles, which are very important strong muscles for the freestyle stroke. Lat pull down is the perfect strengthening exercise because the latissimus dorsi is a primary muscle group used for freestyle. This is also why swimmers have large shoulders, which is beneficial to the sport. Dumbbell high pull is a total body exercise. You start with your knees bent parallel to the floor with the weight at your sides. Then you explode upwards, keeping your core tight and pulling the weight up towards your armpits while keeping your back straight. Adding a slight hop can make it more powerful. Push press is somewhat of a power lift, which is performed in the Olympic racks. With a slight bend in the knee for intensity, you push the bar above your head with your arms, engaging almost every muscle in the shoulders and arms. Once you have completed 1 rep, you go right into the next one without any rest to keep the power rushing through your body. Jump squats are a complete leg workout. You bend at the knee at a 90-degree angle to the floor and explode, reaching towards the sky. The more you do these, the stronger the quads and hamstrings will be, making your legs increasingly more powerful in the water. Reaching towards the sky helps stretch out the arm and keep them loose, which is exactly what you want in the pool. For plate walk, you stand in the squat position, working the hamstrings. Make sure you have the correct grip on the plate with your hands in the middle and grasp the center firmly. And you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps to the right and the same to the left. Make sure you're keeping your core tight and your back straight to prevent injury and strengthen muscles. The pull-ups will be assisted with a resistance band below your feet. The bands have different resistance for various body weights. Pull-ups work the muscles in the arms, shoulders, and back, like the deltoids, anterior and posterior, lats, anterior serratus, biceps, traps, and the core. There are 2 different techniques to do the inverted row. One is with the heel of the foot on the ground, keeping the body parallel to the floor. This is the more advanced way because it works your core more. Another way that is less difficult is to keep your entire foot firmly planted on the ground and the body is still parallel to the floor as you pull your body upwards.
For the front plank, you hold the position for 30 seconds. All your body weight is resting on your forearms and feet. It is crucial to have a flat back and keep your butt down. This is a complete core exercise.
You should first chalk up your hands to make sure that the bar won't slip, then perform the power shrug. The power shrug starts out as if it was an RDL and the bar is at your knees. Keep your back straight and lift up towards your shoulders, producing the shrug. Make sure you do not bend your arms and keep the wrists locked.
The side plank works your core just as much as the front plank. You will perform these on both your right and left side, keeping your hips in line with your back and head looking up at your hands. Try to stay as wobble-free as possible. These can become more difficult if you hold your body up on your hand instead of your forearm. The athlete can decide what is most suitable for her. Jump roping is not just a childhood activity. It's a great full-body workout. It works your arms, legs, core, and back. When completing this exercise, make sure to not double bounce and perform the rotations quickly. If you get out of rhythm, recollect yourself and start it back up. You will skip rope for 1 minute.